The Monaco circuit is one of my favorite tracks in the world. I've raced there in Formula 3, Formula 2, Formula 1, also in Formula E, but this year is going to be very special. We're going to use the full GP track, which is the long Monaco track that everybody's used to, and it's a unique experience to go up the hill, getting the fast corners, getting the lows hairpin, the tunnel straight, braking to the chicane, all the fast flowing part of the swimming pool, and the Haas finishing the lap. It's gonna be an amazing experience with the Gen 2 car, and I cannot wait to drive there. And it's just an amazing track. You can see here is the start-finish line. We go all the way to Saint-Devote, the name of this first corner. Fast right-hander, and you start uphill. So this is the new part. Before, on that Saint-Devote, you turn right and go directly to the port on the previous years of Formula E. But here, you continue to go up. There is like a small negative jump there that when the car lands, you turn left. Here, of course, we don't go. We use the left side of the track. It's the official track. Rejoining at this point, there is like a bump there that you try to avoid, stay in the middle of the track. Then you enter the slowest part of the track, a very tight right-hander, and the famous lowest hairpin, which you turn, go down. All this part is very downhill, and this is one of the most important corners. The corner that leads to the famous tunnel straight. So when you're inside the tunnel, you can see all the lights are on. They will be on for the race. This is a flat-out, over 200 kph corner that leads to the hardest braking point of the track. In this case here, you turn left and do a chicane and continue on the left side of the track. Here where we are is the escape route. So now we rejoin the track. We have Tabac, 90 degree, very fast. Then the flat out swimming pool S's, the first part, then a hard braking at even a tighter S there, and you start to position your car for braking to the Haas, the famous corner of Haas, which is this one, very tight. You go up. Here you would go left, tight corner, and back to the start-finish line, and that's the lap of Monaco Grand Prix, in which Formula E will race for the first time in Season 7. I hope you enjoyed, and see you there.